Hello, welcome to HJZ Laser. Today we are showing you the new model HJZ word printer that is very hot selling at the moment, and we have exported to more than 80 countries, and our word printer has been very good reputations with the customers with a very high repurchase rate. Today we are showing you the mini type, the black type, the lightweight word printer. With the English version, the software is very easy for operation, and we have exported to USA, Germany, Russia, Italy, Korea, Vietnam, UAE, Dubai, Egypt. We have exported to many countries, and our customers will very like this machine. And to be our customer, we will enjoy the 24 hours online professional technical guidance. And we will make the VIP after-sale group for you. You will always get all the problems solved very quickly. Now we are doing the testing. Direct on the board, you can see the printing effect very vivid. And the printing speed is very high. And with this machine, you can get very high benefits. For the ink, you just with one set of ink, you can print 100 square meters. So that is very, very good for business. If you are very